So the other day, I was actually talking to someone about the gear I have that I use for recording. And two things came up that are kind of the same thing, but not really. That is the Stream Deck Plus, as you're seeing in this profile, and the Stream Deck XL. And then, after I told them I had both of these, they proceeded to ask me why. Yeah, that was their question. Why do I have two Stream Decks? Which is a fair question. I am making this video to answer as to why you might want to have multiple Stream Decks. First of all, let's get into the Stream Deck XL and what I use it for. Then we will go to the Stream Deck Plus a bit later, okay? So, for the Stream Deck XL, I use it to open OBS, to stop and play on OBS when I'm not live. OBS stands for Open Broadcasting Software. There will be a link to it in the description below. I control my key light. Yes, I have an Elgato key light. Whenever I use face cam, I like to have light shining on me. I have a clipboard shortcut because I'm on Windows right now, but yeah, this is compatible with Mac. I just happen to be on Windows right now. And these are actually just shortcuts to different text. So I can easily type it in YouTube or something. This is to switch between stereo and headset. And then this is the big thing, okay? This is just everything. This is to mute my mic. This is to switch to all the different scenes on OBS. This is to control more light stuff. But with that said, I barely use any of the light settings anymore. And I'll show you why later on. But yeah, as you can see, ad breaks because I stream and so on and so forth. So we have all of that right there. And that's good for Stream Deck XL. As you can see, I don't have all the slots filled up or anything. So you may argue, why do I need another Stream Deck? Well, let's go over to the Stream Deck Plus profile, shall we? Okay, as you can see, the Stream Deck Plus, I don't even have the profile filled yet. Let's see, I have this is to record and stop record for video on OBS. This, I can put whatever I want here, but right now it's just a random hotkey that I can change whenever I want. This is to save replays from my stream, and this is actually to open this profile application thing so I can switch it as I need to. I almost called it an app, don't mind that. But the crazy thing, the thing we want down here is this, okay? Now I'm going to actually press Elgato key light, the touch screen on my thing, and as you can see, it turns it on and off. Just let me play around with turning the brightness up and down. I can click on it because it is an actual dial, but you can click it like a button as well. And then I could play around with the temperature and so on and so forth, which is very brilliant, okay? mic, I can do a similar thing to. Then console sound, those are two of my volume things I have on OBS because I let OBS control the sound. But with that said, you can actually use the Wave software to have a virtual soundboard sort of thing if you wanted to. But that's not all. Let's go ahead and go over to the next page, shall we? I have this right here as volume. I literally control my computer's volume with this. So like if there's a phone call I'm getting, I can either mute the volume or turn it up, turn it down, as you just saw there. And then this brightness thing, I have it set to increase, decrease the brightness for the Stream Deck Plus. So you guys can't see it, but it does increase and decrease the brightness of everything. I'm going to keep it at 50 for now because that's just where I like it. But then pause and play, let me pause and play stuff such as music, whatnot. Knob turns it over to the next song or whatnot. So yeah, it is actually very useful. And I could just swipe on the touch screen to go to the previous page, but I actually have a button set up, so I can do that. So yeah, I may not use up all of the keys on both of them, but honestly, I really enjoy both of them quite a bit because it's not necessarily whether you use up all the keys. It's more of a comfortability for placement, and I like the fact that I have the ability to add more keys and whatnot. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this. Do you guys think you'll be picking up either a Stream Deck XL or a Stream Deck Plus after this? Do you still think it's pointless for that I have two, but you're like, you know, you do you type thing? I'd love to know your guys' thoughts, comment section below. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.